Miss Scott's gonna help you learn how to play multiplication tap it. If you already know how to play, then you don't have to watch this video. Bye and go play. If you don't know how to play, the first thing you're gonna need is a deck of cards. You can use any cards. I'm using my Uno cards. You will need 4 zeros, 4 ones, 4 twos, 4 threes, 4 fours, 4 fives, 4 sixes, 4 sevens, 4 eights, and 4 nines. If you don't have a deck of cards lying around, you can take some paper. Don't take messy paper like this. Take a nice clean piece of paper and cut it up with your scissors and make them all look about the same size, like all squares, all rectangles, and then write the numbers on each one of the pieces of paper. So that way you'll end up with the number of cards that you need. So this is how you play. You have your deck of cards and you just have to play up against one other person. So you pick one other person in your house. So I'm gonna hold up the first 2 cards that come off the top of the deck. And those cards are a 5 and a 4. So then if it's my turn, I have to multiply in my head 5 times 4, and I have to use the sentence starter. The product is. So I say the product is 20. Then I play against my other partner. My other partner comes in and they pull the first 2 cards off the top of the deck. 7 times 8. Then they have to think of what is the product. 7 times 8, the product is 56. So now I have one person who had the product is 56 and another person who had the product is 20. Whoever has the bigger product gets to take all the cards and count them as points. So you got it right. The second person would get to count 1, 2, 3, 4 points. That's round 1. Guess what you're going to do? Repeat it all again for round 2. So the first person picks 2 cards. 1 times 2, the product is 2. The second person picks 2 cards. 8 times 2, the product is 16. The winner again is the second person, and they get to count all the cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because they won the first hand, now they have 8 points. We're going to play a third round, and that's it. Now, the person goes. First person gets 9 times 6. 9 times 6 is 54. The product is 54. Then the next person goes. 4 times 5 is 20. Oh, the second person didn't win this time. The first person won because their product was bigger. 6 times 9 is 54 is a bigger number than 5 times 4 equals 20. So they get to keep these points. Whoever has the most cards after 3 rounds is the winner. Well, it looks like player number 2 was the winner in this case. Have fun. Play as many times as you like. And make sure you're using those multiplication strategies like add a group, take a group away, use a friendly number, and doubles. Bye. No calculators, that's cheating.